Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix this app can't run on our PC. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type developer mode. Comes up developer settings. Click on open it and turn on this developer mode and select yes. And after turning on, go to search menu and type user account control settings. Click on open it. Drag this point to down and click on OK and select yes and just close stuff here. And now you just need to go to search menu and type Windows security. On left side, select protection history. If we are trying to install the game or a program, the setup will be listed here, guys. You just need to click on this drop down in this quarantine potential unwanted app removed from the antivirus. Just need to click on the drop down and select yes, and you can able to see the setup file that you trying to install. In here you can able to see a box. I will show you the same box like this. Click on the drop down and select the allow option to allow that setup, guys. After selecting allow, the setup will be allowed from the antivirus software, and then go to virus and threat protection. Select manage settings under virus and threat protection. Turn off everything in this page. After turning off, you just need to go to device security and select core isolation details. Turn off this memory integrity and then go to app browser control and select reputation based protection settings and turn off check apps and files option and just close off here. If you have any other third party antivirus like Avast or ASG, and then you just need to disable that, guys. After disabling that, you just need to go back to the game installation location. As you can see, now the game setup will be restored because we restored from the Windows security. Now you can install the game or a program without having any problem. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.